Hi everyone, I'm Anish and welcome to this video on understanding prompt engineering. We'll learn how to talk to AI in the best way. First, let's clear something up. AI isn't magic. It's like a super smart robot that follows instructions. The better your instructions, the better the results. Prompt engineering is all about asking AI the right questions. Think of it like giving clear directions to a friend who's never been to your house. Let's look at an example. Imagine asking AI to draw a cat. What happens if we just say draw a cat? With draw a cat, you might get a basic sketch. But if we add details like fluffy orange cat sitting on a windowsill, the result is way better. Now let's wrap up by reviewing the 5 key techniques we've covered today. First, direct prompts involve giving clear, specific instructions. For example, asking the AI to write a 50-word email about your project update ensures you get exactly what you need. Next, few-shot learning provides examples first. By showing the AI a pattern, like 2 examples of customer service responses, it can generate similar ones. Third, chain of thought asks the AI to show its reasoning step by step. This is helpful for complex tasks like solving math problems where you want to see the logic. Fourth, role playing lets you assign a role, like act as an expert chef for specialized advice. This tailors the AI's responses to a specific context. Finally, iterative refinement starts simple and refines based on responses. Begin with a basic prompt, then adjust based on the AI's output for better results. Thank you for watching. Master these techniques to communicate effectively with AI in your daily work.